So one of my cousin's son was coming to Bangalore and he wanted a place to live. So I was trying to help them find a place. And then when we went around seeing those places, I was shocked. The condition those places were in, a child of any family for that matter, would not want to live in those places. That's when we envisioned FF21 in the way you see it now. I'm Ajay Nimani. I'm one of the co-founders of FF21. FF21 is all about living experience.
So the thought process around FF21 has been to provide community living spaces targeted specifically for young working professionals. Currently, we're based in Bangalore, but moving forward, we would like to expand and try and take this concept to other cities as well. Hi, I'm Rahul Baliga. I'm one of the founders of FF21. Zoho One essentially has been a very ready to use, easy to use kind of a platform because a lot of functionality is available straight out of the box itself. We as a team strongly believe in using technology for most things that we do, and hence it made it that much more easier. And the fact that the platform in itself is pretty well rounded in terms of the entire process of customer engagement, right from the time that a lead registers with us through our website or any other channel. Those data points are recorded in Zoho CRM through Zoho One, all the way up to the reservation phase. We use the blueprint functionality that is available through Zoho CRM as well, that allows us to sort of define that process very clearly in terms of what needs to happen next. And until certain things are done, then the process doesn't move forward. Obviously, using custom list views and report also allows us for us to stay on top, get back to the customer, keeps the sales team reminded in terms of who are the people that they need to talk to. There's also a lead qualification process that we have that allows them to prioritize which leads they need to talk to and move that entire sales cycle along. The thing with most traditional rental agreements tend to be a lot of paperwork. The entire process of signing a rental agreement today has come down to a 5-minute job, and Zoho Sign integration with Zoho CRM has made this job really easy. So in any business, bookkeeping becomes very important, right? In our case, we needed something because most of our billing with the customer is on a monthly basis. There could be a bunch of line of services that are there. There are few vendors that we manage. That's where a system like Zoho Books, again through Zoho One,
got me full control. Second thing is the payments are under control. So based on that, it helps a lot. I mean, the reports and the dashboards are great. Dashboard can be customized as per our need.
At the end of the day, what we're trying to do is to create a experience of living. Essentially, anything around ticket handling. From a support point of view, Zoho Desk and in connection with Zoho CRM is a very powerful sort of combination and functionality. Zoho Desk on its own gives you again a lot of out-of-box features, from the fact that you can define the kind of data points that you really require. It allows you multiple channels through which you can actually sort of get tickets from a customer. You can build multiple assignment rules. You can create escalation metrics. Within that, you can also have different sets of teams and departments so that when tickets come in, they go specifically into those buckets.
Zoho One reporting system is pretty good and it can be customized. Every department we are able to create the reports. I get the gist of it. I get summaries. Best part is that I know everyone in the company is working and it shows on the reports.
So the core of our business and the way that it's run, we have an in-house application. For the lack of a better word, we call it a nucleus, because at the end of the day, it is the core of our business. Since the seamless nature of these systems is extremely important for us, one of the reasons we've continued to use Zoho One is the fact that it works seamlessly with our nucleus system. We use a combination of Zoho Desk and through Nucleus that has allowed us to empower people to the bottommost level of the chain in that sense.
While using Zoho One in FF21, we have felt that Zoho One has been a very supportive tool to run FF21 effectively, and FF21 is practically floating on Zoho. That's how I feel.